Good morning, everybody. This is Caesar with Small Engine Velocity, and I am doing it's not necessarily a motovlog because the weather's been crappy. I haven't been able to record standing in front of the camera, so I'm going to go ahead and record standing behind the camera. So last weekend, the weather was bad, and it was rainy, and I had a mission in mind. I don't know if any of y'all are aware, but myself, I have another hobby. I haven't done it very much lately, but I have another hobby, and it is 3D design / 3D printing. I have made some parts before and sold them on my Etsy store, which actually did pretty well. They all sold. I'm going to do another set eventually of the radiator covers and the other stuff. But here's the story. I took the printer down and I set it all up, and it was like terrible. It wasn't printing right. I went to Fry's and bought some material, and it was horrible. The layers weren't sticking. It was stringy. It was turning into cotton candy. And I don't know what else to say other than that it was just terrible. And I literally spent 2 days, like 48 hours. That's why part of the reason I didn't get any videos done, because I spent 48 hours cleaning that up, making it work. Finally, I decided it must be the material, because I've tried every different adjustment possible. And I bought some material from Amazon, and I put it on, and it worked great. So now 2 days more passed because it takes a while to print these things. So I print 3 things. 3 things of my design. I printed what's it called? The license plate bracket relocator that goes on the back of the bike. And then I printed the, what's it called? The radiator cover with the scoop on it. I wanted to kind of take away the stock one off of the bike. And then a velocity stack that I designed. That was eventually it was stolen. The design was on Thingiverse, and it was stolen by a guy who started selling them on eBay and didn't even use his own pictures. He was using my pictures off of my design on Thingiverse, which by the way is licensed. It is, people can share it, but it is non-commercial, and if you do share it, it needs attribution, or it needs someone to credit me. Anyways, he took it down. But anyways, I did do a time lapse, so I'm going to do a little tiny montage here of those time lapses. So keep in mind that this is stuff for the GirlRuck. Basic stuff. I also bought a strip LED just like mine. And then I also bought a light for the license plate, because in Texas you have to have a light on your license plate or else it's illegal. So I did that. And then I'm just waiting to put it on. I'll probably do it today. But here's the pictures of them. This is the license plate relocator, which is beautiful. It's made to go on the CVT, but you do need to buy, if you see that part that sticks out like a little tube, pyramid tube, cylinder, funnel looking thing, that's the part that also connects, but it needs a longer bolt that goes into your CVT. And it's easy to find. If you look on my... Oh, shit! If you look on the page... Oh, shit! If you look on the page... It's on the, I didn't even see my backpack fall off. I hope you guys didn't see that. If you look at the, what's it called? The Thingiverse page. It has all the instructions of what you need to do to put it on. So, that really hurt my thumb, grabbing a falling bag, trying to keep my work laptop and my MacBook and my camera from being crushed by a car behind me. Alright, I need to find a better way to strap that down next time. Sorry, I got distracted because it fell. I wasn't paying attention. Then I have the radiator cover. This was designed by me and Christopher H. from the group, the Honda Ruckus group, sorry, on Facebook. This one is not freely shared. That one is mine and Chris's only. Eventually I hope to have it produced somewhere. And then, what do I have? Oh yeah, the last one is the velocity stack. Well, I already said that. But anyways, yeah, there's all the parts. Sorry, I'm a little frazzled because I dropped my backpack, and it makes me angry that I almost dropped it into the middle of the road. So I'm going to do a little bit of a speed test here then. There's a lot of wind blowing against me today. Like a lot. I don't know if you can see my phone shaking. I don't know. Well, anyways, I'm going to put this on her ruck and make it look cooler. And then make it a little bit more legal. She also needs a mirror. So remember, I have the second mirror of this one, so I'm going to go ahead and install that on her bike. So she has a mirror to look at least to see behind her. Because seeing behind you is important. Anyways, sorry guys, I didn't mean to break up my video like that, but this is a GirlRuck episode, and I just wanted to introduce you to the 3D parts that I had created for her bike. I made a 3D parts video before, but I just want to show this. Anyways, next video for GirlRuck will be the installation of these parts and the rewiring and putting in and taking of that weird R3 taillight that's hanging off the back of the bike and the license plate that is sitting in the incorrect position. I mean, it's sitting there, but it's just like zip tied down. But anyways, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.